If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin Update. Today, Saturday 28, boringness at best at the peak right now. So today is Saturday and you're surviving a Saturday. If you're surviving a weekend, that's actually quite awesome. Now let's dive into the weekly time frame because we are near the end of the week and we still yet have to see Bitcoin making the move. Can we somehow tomorrow in 1 day 11 hours get to 25,657? I would like to see that. I would personally like to see Bitcoin doing just that, because there's a little bit of a problem if you don't get there, and one problem might possibly be that you are making a pin bar, and it's something I'm looking at so many altcoins right now. The daily suggests a little bit of a move to the upside, but the weekly actually suggests something different. So it's really important to be quite careful at the moment with this situation right now. So that's the first thing. The second thing is the monthly is also approaching to the end of it. So can we somehow still try to smash through in 3 days, 11 hours? That's really important. Now let's dive in again into the weekly time frame, and I want to show you Solana right now, because Solana also has a pin bar. If you look at it this way, we have a pin bar, we have a break as well. So on the daily, it's actually different. On the weekly, Doji'S. But the good thing about Doji'S is that it doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to go down, because Doji'S are meant to be decisive. You can still push to the upside. Now the daily actually suggests that these things look to go upside. Let's look at Jasmy as well, the one that I'm covering almost every day. We do have a little bit of pin bars coming in on Jasmy as well. You can see that. But I don't know, we have 3 white soldiers, right? And you can still push to the upside. The daily again, the daily still shows a push to the upside. One more, I mean, almost a major of them actually have some stupid candles on the weekly time frame, but on the daily, that's where the beauty really is, because if you look at the daily, it's different from the weekly, and we gotta keep all these time frames in mind. We cannot really turn bearish just because of the weekly, because if you look at the daily time frame, it's clear, really clear that that's your bull flag, man. That's your bull flag. The intention is very clear to me that they made a bull flag. The technical target goes from there to there, and you're coming up to a particular target. Actually, you see even $27,000 is actually in play, so let alone $25,000. So unless we don't come down to 20,258, I think everything is okay, still remains okay. And that's pretty much it for this update right now. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.